Hi guys, I'm Ammar Sitwala, and today in this video we'll be seeing what and how I did my first open source contribution to a project. So since we all know how important it is to do the contribution to the open source projects, and so I started searching for the projects online, especially in the GitHub. So I have found this LibreOffice organization, and here there are several projects here. So I started looking for the Python project specifically, and I found one called as MSO Dumper. And I quickly went to the issues here. There are several issues here, and I went to this issue. ppt-dump.py crashes on text dump. So this guy opened this issue and commented found on Windows 10 Python 3.8 and eventually gave the solution as well. Need to import OS in globals.py to solve. So since it is my first contribution, I really wanted to test something out with something a small contribution. So I said, I also commented, can I work on this issue? I'm new to open source contribution. So he said, be my guest. So I quickly went to this Amazon dumper, fogged it, starred it, and it is on my uh, GitHub rep, GitHub profile. So I cloned this repo and opened this in the PyCharm, and it is said that I need to import the OS in globals.py. So I found the globals.py. Earlier it was just like this. Then I imported OS here. Then I did the get status, and it was soon modified globals.py in red. So I had to use the git add and the file name, git add and file name. So the file has been added, and we I committed it on the GitHub, and then I pushed it on my repository. So if we look here, uh, this is the folder, and we can see the changes here. Earlier there was no OS, and then the new changes are comma OS. Okay, so what I did next is I clicked on pull request and clicked on new pull request. To merge it to the main branch, to the original LibreOffice master branch, we have to create a pull request. Okay, so I created a pull request, and this is my pull request here. And we all can see this branch is one commit ahead of LibreOffice master. My changes haven't been merged yet. That is the reason why we are seeing this branch is one commit ahead. Okay, so if we'll go here and go to pull requests, there are two pull requests, one by me, and this branch has no conflicts with the base branch, and it is now ready to be merged. So this is how I contributed it. uh, I recently started and got to know about the importance of the contributing to the open source project. So there are other projects as well I'm working on to contribute.